this is the first time that Babushka is not with us.
First day without Babushka.
First day without Babushka, and we're a bit sad. She's not here with us anymore. She's in Russia now. So Janya just arrived from Bangkok last night. And we're gonna go grocery for the first time without Babushka.
Wait.
Huh? Huh? You're looking at the baby? The baby is crying. So, hindi namin nabihisan si Bella. Nakapajama pa din. Wala na si Babushka. Bella, hindi tayo makapag-prepare ng maayos. Kumukuha ng card si Janya eh. You okay, love? Bella? Yes. Papa is not here yet. I think he's looking for a card downstairs. Yeah. Try this one too. Oh, my love, triple brownie.
Okay. And this one is that.
Good morning, Lala. Lola is here to the rescue. Oi, are you sleepy? Bella! Artyom, hello! She likes to do that, babe. See? Oh. Yeah, thank you. Play with your friend Artyom, okay? Ah! Look at our daughter, babe. Oh, Belle, play with your friend. Huh? See, look at Artyom. He's standing. Learn how to stand and walk. Ate, no?
Oo. Sabi mo, tagapunta tayo. Hindi kaya ano. Kaso,
What's inside?
cut inside. Oy, thank you.
Diyos ko, yung anak ko nangingialam na hindi bag. Uy, you want
Dirty yan,
money?
dirty. Dirty kasi yan eh. It's from different hands. Let's close it. Then.
Ay, Isabel. Belle, I will buy this for you. Color pink, okay? Ayaw niya na kasi ng ano, yung sa maliit ba na bote? Oy!
Kasi gusto niya rin ganyan yan eh. Gaganon si Chen yan eh.
Baliktad ba sa inyo nga, Ben?
Sa ta...
Nagsasalita po si Bella. Nagtatry siya magkipag-communicate.
Huh? Oh, you are the one. You should be the one daw to open. To look what is inside.
Kanina yung bag ni Artyom in-open ni Bella. Ngayon bag naman ni Bella yung in-open ni Artyom. Exchange sila.
Sorry ka?
Ang cute. Belle.
Where's purple? Purple. Lagi si Jan. Mauwaw man ko i-message tong si ano kay nang mangutana si Jan ako. Ako pangutan una po si Jan kanang sa mga documents ba sa immigration kay
Kaya pala.
Tapos nagbibigay siya ng ano ng course para sa mga gustong mag-abroad.
Hi vlog! So welcome back to our channel, and for today's video, anong ipapakita mo ngayon, Belle? Huh? Are you gonna show your clothes? Umalis na si Babushka. Nilipat namin yung clothes ni Bella sa room na ito. May cabinet kasi dyan. So, gusto niyang paglaruan yung yung plastic. Hello! Nakapangtulog pa rin tayo. Kasi walang time. Buhay nanay, Belle. Buhay nanay. Belle, we're gonna put your clothes here inside this cabinet. Are you ready? Let's show them how we arrange your clothes, okay? Let's open the window first. Oh, Bella, Kuya is there. Choo, 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 choo. So, this is Bella's closet na. This is the 4th day na wala yung babushka ni Bella kasi bumalik na sa Russia si Mommy. Bella, no! Okay, wait. Nagtitithing kasi siya. Masakit yung gums niya ata. Lahat ng hinahawakan ni Bella, kinakagat niya. Turning 13 months soon. Tapos, yung ipin niya dito sa babay. Ay, tingnan nyo, oh. Ang dumi na, tingnan. Kasi yung laway. My love, thank you for helping, Mama. Thank you for helping, Mama lang. So, ito na po yung mga damit ni Bella. Nag-start na akong maglagay dyan. Ay, Bell.